Hi guys, it's Beth. Welcome to my channel. Today is the Joy of Blue collaboration, and this is hosted by Sarah over at Crafting and Relaxing. And the collaboration is just about enjoying playing with the color blue. So this month I kind of took an easy route, but it was also an effective paper user route. I created a bunch of blue note cards. I acquired, like at a pretty good deal, a bunch of like 3.5 by 5 inch size envelopes, and so I've been trying to find some ways to use those up. So I decided to make some note card sets. So I think I used up 8 sheets of 8.5 by 11 pattern paper and just cut them down so that they would fit a 3.5 by 5 inch size note card, and created a bunch of like just blue floral note cards. And so very basic, but I got 5 from each 8.5 by 11 sheet. And I took the scraps that I had left and used them on the insides of the note card. So I think all I had left that I didn't use was one skinny scrap from the like far left-hand side of my 8.5 by 11 sheet. So there were some that I had 2 sheets, so I was able to get 10 cards. Like I love that deep navy tone in this one. This one, since it was more of a white background, I did add a pop of green cardstock kind of behind the pattern paper just to help it stand off of the white, but I think this is one of my favorites. I love that kind of tealish blue. This one has some different shades of blue, but it also includes some pinks and peaches and greens. I did have 2 sheets of those, and then I also had 2 sheets of this one. So basically, since my note cards are 5 by 7 and you fold them in half, they become 3.5 by 5. I trimmed my pattern paper to be like 3 3/8 by 4 7/8, and that left that small white border going around the edges. And like I said, they all have paper on the inside. So what am I going to do with all of these? I have decided, I thought something that might be fun is to create kind of a mixed like pack of blue floral note cards. So I could take like 2 of each, and some of them I can do 2 of each. Some of them I might have to just do 1 of each and do a set of 5. And then I can create a just kind of assorted pack of blue note cards, and then I can either sell these. We have an Etsy shop where I can sell them. We are signed up for craft shows this fall, so fingers crossed that those actually happen, and hopefully I can sell them there. But that's what I plan on doing with all of these. So this was, like I said, kind of an easier project this month, but it used up 8 sheets of pattern paper from my stash. So, and I really enjoyed working with the blue florals. I love floral. So that is what I made this month. Please be sure to check out the description box below and see what all the other participants made for this month. There's always a fun but wide variety of crafts that are made and shared each month. But I thank you guys so much for your time today, and hope you all have a very crafty day.